Some primary school picking them for that side for Yawinde. They don't get class. School no be dey happen for them. Since Monday, na for Sika say teacher the way they dey for contra Ngomna, they don't vex. They dey for school, but they know the teach picking them. They say main Ngomna, it make their work condition it better. Na for Sika why they need the teach picking them. So for inside chapter for Tori for this afternoon, we go talk chapter for how we small picking themselves up for that side. So for inside Bonaberry side with fire it be cash. That small picking them, they hear about as we school starts. Their school it be born. We go turn back for that school for sure now. As well that small picking them, as well they start school, they suffer for that side. Tori 2 for this afternoon, we go talk chapter for council session. As well people them for that side to for Tombell, they be sit down for their council session. For see as well they go look out inside the council and money where they go use them for 2018. Sabi say just now. All man, Idigi congratulate for the mayor for that side for Tombell, they call it say Mama Rose Ngasa for that side for the work we don't do for some short time. So for Tori for this afternoon, for that side for Yawinde, work people them for side for Olembe Stadium where na POBI own fees up, where it go dey happen 2019 man dambam. They don't promise. Say so far as we walked in, they don't come. Now so to work for that side, it go dey work a fine. All the Tori then so plus one the way newspaper they take talk. We go talk on this afternoon for this side so for Equinox at Tori House. Big Papa talk for this afternoon. Edi try for tell we say waiting. Say Pepe be over member say it the hot, but Tumbu it disgrace enter for inside his skin, empty skin. Yes, Pepe the member say over hot, but Tumbu it disgrace Pepe enter for inside the skin for sure he say it no be no nothing. We want to say big thank you for you on Akode for that side so for Kumbam for big part talk for this afternoon. I dey turn back small time. We glad plenty for meet up una for this side for Equinox Story House. Chapter 2 for Tori for inside number 3 day for the week. We go begin on our chapter for strike for picking them as well as Siam na school picking them. That for government primary school for Ikorozok, now for side for Yawinde, picking the day for school, but teacher then no day for TG picking them. As well it just day like saying as on small holiday too, where this picking they don't get and so one day they sleep, so one day they only talk. Teacher the day for school for two, but the teacher they don't talk say they no go teach this picking them. Now for Sika waiting, this teacher the day so now teacher them for contract wey normal Ngomna if you don't get for put them for payroll. Now I mean say Ngomna for don't make them like civil servant. Now teacher then that the day for school they no even care no nothing whether picking the day or they no day for school. Now people then for inside primary school delegation they come up frighten the teacher then say may they teach, but the teacher they talk say so far as where their condition never change, Ngomna no one change their condition. They say they no fit put them by force, they no fit put them fire for say may they teach picking them. For Sika say they don't talk from Ngomna since palava their condition. Some them they where they dey for 15 years where they so dey na for contract with Ngomna no the check for as well if you put them for normal payroll. Some other one they way they just come up for school with grade 1 teacher school certificate where normal Ngomna be get for put them for work, but Ngomna it don't close the eye there. Now all the one they so make them the contract teacher them they don't talk say waiting say better na say me they can the school picking them to they can school they can play but them they don't wash their hand as well Pontius Pilate be do it's a certain Ngomna is sabi way to get for do minister for primary school book he get for hear the palava na so to minister for public service he get for hear this chapter as well teacher them for that side they don't tie grass they say no nothing he no go take for waka. Palava die for this afternoon. We go take una enter for Kutaba side. Now for Kutaba side, so we country people them, they wake up for morning time for see some kind balopti wey take happen. That see pass wey dey see am na the boy this wey they call it say waiting. Kasim Alassane na Niger countryman. No man he no take sabi waiting way he make Kasim for go hang himself for that side so for Kutaba. No man he no take sabi wait way he take pass. But tori wey he papa for Kasim he take talk. He say all they be don't turn back from workplace only for you for one wake up for night he no see pikin early morning time pikin he don hang. No man he no take sabi waiting he happen before this pikin he take hang for Kutaba side. And all man he is also confused. Gendarme people themselves wey they come for can't see this palava. They warn all man say if something they wey dey worry them for heart may they try for talk for their best combi so their best combi if you talk for outside. So just now total confusion for family where they get this pikin where they call am say Kasim Alassane. As well I don't talk Kasim Alassane na pikin wey he comot for Niger for inside this palava they born him for Kutaba but na Niger country person wey he hang. No man no sabi wait wey make am he take hang for that side. We go talk back chapter for school now. We take una go for inside Wala here for that side. So for company we take born na school picking them this. Na that school that we don't show now. Talk for na so school we take born. Na the picking them that. For that and nursery school picking them no get place again for Shidon. Picking the Shidon for on top block them for learn abeke there. Picking them say where they innocent, they no sabi wetin happen. See how picking the Shidon now on top block them. Picking the take Shidon learn na the school that where it be born after with that company where they make hot mimbo to be take born. So now so even mommy them for picking the hear bad say they are picking the Shidon for second way. See the one in Shidon like say all thing it don't finish for inside the way for it. Yes, see now the picking and that it is here no. Now on top block this picking the Shidon see am now then that. Small innocent picking the way they no even sabi wetin dey happen. The only one start second term they say they no get them chair again. Even light e no dey for inside that town inside that place so wey I saw the talk. Picking themselves change self for Shidon wey e no dey. Picking the only Shidon up on top block they dey look place. So one the day wey they dey check say but na which kind of suffer this or the suffer for the our young age so which kind of suffer na who go can help we for inside the kind of suffer small pikin dem so when they Shidon on top block all time so that show go the hot that show go the hot. I know say they dey talk who go can comot we for the kind of suffer. Who go can comot we for the kind of suffer. Now as sabi say the pikin dem don start talk the thing small pikin dem wey dey be innocent but sabi say na just palava that company wey born wey fire too e continue e born this primary school nursery school for that side so for inside Bonaberry side. Palava thief we never finish for talk am as wey gendarme see am jump again one jump again two he dey jump he dey jump like a frog he dey jump like frog you no fit waka. Na then that na the two people then that see them all them so na combi all them combi wey they don dey worry people them for Bonaberry and they don dey worry people for this side for inside town here for Akwa side. Yes they the thief careless. Na then that see them na then that see them na then that BB boy them wey they for the go dig cocoyam sef for the go dig even Igbo cocoa for farm. Na then that way they don catch them. They thief for Bonaberry see am they shoot people the way they get Okada carry their Okada go shoot even the Leban country people then take their phone them. Now only so they don't dey work. So gendarme people they talk say child they can one in no fit happen wey Cameroon na country for law. So big man for gendarme Colonel Francois Sesep he talk say the people dem be don dey worry place. So as wey they put hand for them they talk say they no fit left them so they comot one time. The only problem for Cameroon na say when the one they enter from Gata tomorrow again you go see them they don't comot. You know sabi how they take comot. Yes you know sabi how they take comot. Today we don dey show them say they don't catch them they don't thief they don't keep people them they don't carry thing them to they enter from Gata they no go even stay 1 month they don't comot again enter back comot again. But sabi say as well they dey show the people them even picking them where they dey learn for inside palava gendarme they be dey na then that where they be dey learn inside the work where they dey inside so they be dey they show them see gun see shaker shoot see bullet see phone there they thief am for Liban country people them. You dey see them no see all the faces them strong man picking them wey dem for even carry some one woman you just dey do am give pikin go for farm you go cook you go find dig ground you come give chop but their own na for use gun. use by force for thief titi wey no take am. See na that work thing and that. Now the phone they that they own titi for all people there they cash am. So na correct work wey gendarme people dey do na for Sika wide that way. Even big Colonel SSF, Colonel Francois SSF be dey for talk say congratulate for that gendarme people the way they take do that correct work so for catch that thief people them. Now so make we talk palava for council people them. Make we go for that side so for Tombel. Yes, Tombel problem for water e be there ever be for Tombel, but now so water problem e don calm down small. But the only thing I say, when this eton plenty e comot for bush for enter for town na trouble. Road no so dey for Tombe. Yes, road no so dey. Now all the one dem so Palava road particularly na where they start talk. Even though Meyongasa don start graders on road dem for that side, caterpillar the pass, they put small water dem. They say need for do plenty. Say make it no happen only for inside Tombe town. Make e go to for inside village dem, so that chop e go comot village e come for Tombe town. Now all that talk the way they so council of them for Tombe, they she don so they say make they talk am for inside council session wey take pass. Madam Rose Ngasa sef e talk say they don try, but na say make people dey so for support them so that country go dey go for before. For Sika say if they no give them support small, e no go dey waka. So all the council of them dey talk to say make last make Palava decentralize e enter for inside the chapter so that Tombe people dem so too dey fit she don look out their own thing themselves. Say now when decentralizing never come, that one e dey worry them plenty. So dem say they dey ask am say make decentralize e can make the left Tombe council tax e dey go for outside, all thing e go for outside. So all the one now so na im wey dey talk say make dey try for do wetin wey e go take pass so that people dem too for Tombe they go enjoy small thing dem. Jacquino Molo may be put in microphone for some people dem for that side for Tombe. Make we hear wetin wey dey talk after we council session e take finish for Tombe side.
It not be easy for get woman where it lead and the woman where will get her like our mayor and a woman will be open. It give, it be social, it be man picking, it welcome everybody. Developmental projects the way it is for our own locality. We see and say, till like water, Tombe we don't suffer Palava water plenty. But now Tombe get water. The way we want cry and say Palava road because this is our area and the area where everybody in a farmer. So if we get good roads them, if the council will help for maintain the roads them, so that at least the chop of the worker for our farms will be able to bring up for market. See I'm again say road they don't start for fixed road. May not be na the one way they end up for town where other villages the day where they under the municipality. So one does a project for road where they don't start am, may they carry on for all sides so that may all the Tombe municipality may it get road.
Water for Tombe. You know the food where population for Tombe figure that. For all Ebunji, Etam, Ngusi, Mahole them, Buba. We dey beg this one say Madam Gasa still here, he picking their cry. He still add the population for water. We dey thank you for the one way already giving now. So one he do more than what way he did now. So he picking them because we be picking them. Now everyone man because he hear any picking it tears, he cry. He need deliver. It must wipe any my cry. So we dey beg.
Yes, so we'll be here say for Tombe town self, lights in Obide, but Toriwe just enter before we hear, light don't turn back for that side. People there they also suffer for lights. Now people them for Ebunji for under Tombe subdivision. We go turn back for that Tori for some time where we turn back for here. Make we take una now so we talk chapter for Ndamba for talk say waiting. Work for that side so for Pobia I feel Idiwaka country people them work for that side. After we this work thing they take come out for outside. You see and say work. It don't stand up for that side so for Olembe Sports Complex. Now the Pobia I feel that one of the feed them where it go the happen Nation Cup for 2019 and according to the workman the big man for the work where they happen also for that side where the call say Oga Mark Deban he don't try for talking and for Sika say work thing they know we don't come now why that way work it be the over slow but now waiting they don't come work it go the waka kule for that side so for Olembe Sport Complex even Governor Sese for center where they call am say Naseri Pobeyam it be there for that field for see as well the work it happen sabi say as well work thing they no come all workman now, so no man no go sit down for down for one place. You dey see that so they feed on the commot, they feed on this the commot, all the thing them so called the people them it the common now for up for council for inside country. So now say report be so take talk when a governor for center it be turn for inside that side for Olembe yesterday and other place them for see as we work in the camp. Sabi say people them for calf they go the enter for country. So all money must to look out how they think them it dey happen. So fee for Olembe when a pobia feel where they call am say Olembe Sports Complex work it show say it go start no time as soon as the taxi and so to na eye. So people they don't talk say by 2000 or by the time they give them time say get for finish na so to all thing it go take pass. So can the people them na so we take Siam work for Olembe it go for before. Yes, the work it go for before. So we dey pray and say make calf people themselves they can see correct work for them, then they talk say no correct. Yes, as so the work they happen. So Sabi say for Douala here, Douala field work never start for day. Place is it dirty. Mbappe le pay work it don't stand up. Bonamusa decide work you know the even show self say the show. So all that place in a place where calf they get for tonton visitor. So I don't know the kind which way they go use them for say me work is start for day quick before that people they come for town. Now the Tory then that will get them for this afternoon. Make we enter for newspaper people them waiting they get for Terwin this afternoon. The Rambler newspaper wey dey for outside e dey try for ask na BB question whether Popo or whether Buhari e go give the big fish dem wey e don cash am for Popo. Na the big question that way the Rambler dey ask am. So for palava for Norwest and Southwest they dey try for Terwi for inside this chapter say big man too for Elekam. E don dey beg people dem say make they can't write their name for vote as we vote time e dey reach more time. Rambler newspaper wey dey for outside e get other hot number dem wey na for you for enter for inside for Sabiti wey Rambler people them they don't take talk Guardian Post too dey for outside today. Country people them the Guardian Post at Tori wey dey for outside today e strong number them na for waiting for up. You go see and say they talk say main governor e try for make money with papa and mommy then they pay am for exam them for Norwest and Southwest make e go down small for this year for primary school picking them. So for the Guardian Post they tell we say African Bar Association e don give Nigeria 48 hours say make they left that people the way they take cash them for that side. So for Nigeria the one in the camp where Abuja and Yaoundé no man in no one talk whether or they never cash or they don't cash that people the way all money they talk say they don't cash. And then inside the Guardian Post they try for Terwi as way Nico Hale Ntumfo Iwaka enter for Manfe even as way gone in the hala for all sides only for talk chapter for peace. So for inside the Guardian Post other small tori then dey wey if you enter for inside so for try for read am for sabi as wey your country e dey waka. Make we take una see wetin wey Nouvelle Expression wey dey for outside today e take talk. Yes, Nouvelle Expression e talk say wetin 2018 they say Popo e no fit make all that vote dem wey e don talk say e go pass for this 2018. Sabi say the 2018 4 vote they get for happen. You get a vote for honorable, you get vote for senator, you get vote for council people dem, you get vote for president. All that one they so according to wetin Nouvelle Expression take talk they no sure whether Popo go fit happen. All that one them confusion for computer for Jaf Kamendongo is also there for inside chapter plus palava say wetin as we calf people they enter for country people the way they dey for inside country they don already start for tonton for see whether they fit put eye they fit cut tea for inside thing wey that calf people they get for can look am. We take una enter for Le Jour newspaper too dey for outside country people them Le Jour newspaper e dey try for tell we away that people the way they catch the way they say na them the one divide country they so dey na for Nigeria side according to wetin Le Jour take talk. And so for inside Le Jour newspaper they say this school where they open them for that side. So for Betua when na school for teacher them e don dey cause some small confusion for inside country. Now for you for enter for inside for sabi all the other one the way e dey take pass for inside country. Messager too wey dey for outside e get e own tori for talk. Messager e dey try for tell you again chapter for Pobia e computer them wetin e dey happen for there. They dey try for talk say na palava for confusion for him wey dey comot that computer them. Other small small tori dem too. The day wey if you enter for inside this palava for le messager, you go take style so for sabi am. Last story wey we enter for inside this afternoon, they call am say mutation. Mutation wey dey for outside, e dey tell we say wetin. Mutation for where it comot to dem, e dey try for tell we plenty thing dem. Mutation e dey try for tell we say investigate for palava thing wey dey happen for that side. So for Manfe, they go right for Manfe side for tell we as wey Manfe town e dey, and go for all the other villages dem wey dey dey for that side of Manfe wey e don dey empty. Now for you for enter for mutation for sabi the other strong number dem wey dey dey for inside mutation wey e dey for outside. So country people dem, na so we take see country for this afternoon. Just for sabi say we dey dem, na for sika say una dey too for outside. You wey dey for top table for chop ya chop fine, bon appetit. Ambassador go turn back when e knack 8 o'clock for some time. Make una hold am tight.